Kid Life Lessons. Hey, awesome viewers! Today's video is all about keeping our little ones safe around home electronics. We've got 10 crucial tips to make sure kids use gadgets securely. From plug safety to smart switch habits, we've got it covered. Parents, gather round and let's make electrical safety an exciting journey for our kids. Whether you're a parent or a curious kiddo, join us as we dive into the world of safe tech use. Safety first, let's get started. Kids, it's crucial to ensure that plugs are securely inserted. A loose plug can lead to unstable electrical currents, posing potential dangers. Always make sure the plug is completely inserted into the socket. If you notice any looseness or abnormalities, don't attempt to use it. Notify your parents or an adult immediately. When dealing with appliances, be cautious with your hands. Avoid unnecessary movements, as appliances may have small buttons or switches. Unintended actions can lead to malfunctions. Also, be mindful to avoid touching sockets or metal parts of the appliances to prevent the risk of electric shock. Kids, water and electronics don't mix well. Avoid being close to water sources while using appliances, and never touch appliances with wet hands or wet objects. Water conducts electricity, increasing the risk of injury. Always ensure the area around appliances is dry. Little ones, learning to use switches is vital. It not only allows you to conveniently turn off appliances when done, but also helps you notice any unusual sounds or behaviors. If you hear strange noises or notice abnormalities, immediately switch off the appliance and inform an adult. If you're unsure about how to use a particular appliance, never guess. Always ask your parents or another adult for guidance. They'll be happy to answer your questions and ensure you're using the appliance correctly to avoid potential risks. Children, make sure wires are organized and neat. If wires are scattered on the floor, it could lead to accidents. Regularly check and maintain the tidiness of wires to prevent unnecessary mishaps. Kids, remember that sockets are not trash bins. Never insert any metal objects, such as keys or pins, into sockets. This action can easily cause a short circuit, damaging the appliance and even leading to a fire. Be cautious. When using headphones, don't turn the volume too high. Loud music can harm your ears and impact your hearing. Choose an appropriate volume to safeguard your ears from potential damage. Kids, different devices require different chargers. Don't randomly plug or unplug chargers, and avoid mixing them up. Using the correct charger ensures your devices stay charged and minimizes safety risks. Finally, remember to regularly inspect your home appliances to ensure they are in good condition. Check plugs, wires, switches, and other components for any abnormalities. Identifying issues early on helps maintain a safe environment when using appliances. Hey there, little explorers! Our safety adventure comes to an end, but your journey to be safe superheroes is just beginning. Remember these tips, share them with your friends and family. Keep asking questions and exploring with caution. Your safety is the greatest treasure. Until our next adventure, stay safe, keep smiling, and never stop being curious. See you soon, little pals!